Comfort feels harmless, but it's one of the biggest reasons students feel stuck, tired, and unmotivated. It starts quietly, hitting snooze, checking your phone, telling yourself you'll study later, watching just one more video. Comfort gives instant pleasure, and your brain loves it because it needs no effort and no risk. The problem is your brain only cares about feeling good right now, not about your future goals. Over time, comfort slowly kills urgency. When urgency dies, action disappears, and without action, confidence fades. That's why so many students feel burned out, even though they haven't done much. Science shows comfort and growth can't work together. When you choose comfort, growth shuts down. Scrolling for hours feels empty, but finishing hard work actually feels satisfying. The solution isn't removing comfort, it's controlling it. Make comfort harder to reach. Create short discomfort blocks. Start your day with small, hard actions. Discipline grows from small wins. Before every action, ask yourself one question: comfort or growth? Comfort feels easy at first, but heavy later. Growth feels hard now, but meaningful forever. You don't need to change your whole life today. Just win today with one disciplined choice. Comfort feels sweet in the moment, but discipline gives freedom in the long run.